guys tell me, does coffee, lemon, and boiling water first thing in the morning help with burning fat? Or what is the benefits and does it work? That was the question this morning. First of all, I don't know, because coffee, lemon, listen to these words, coffee, lemon, and boiling water. Coffee and boiling water is already made together. So what's the difference between coffee or coffee and boiling water? It's still coffee. Why do we wear a mask and then walk into the restaurant and take it off? Whether it's coffee or coffee and boiling water is the same. And then you add lemon into the mix. Are you adding the lemon into the coffee? Because everything goes into the same place. Whether you drink the coffee and the lemon together, or whether you drink hot water with lemon, now there's benefits for that. Hot water and lemon helps get things moving in the stomach. Hot water and lemon is really good for that. You can't hear me? Oh, they can hear me on, hold on. Can you hear me now? I had silent mode on Insta. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Let me move this. Wait, now you can't see my head? Oh, you can see my head. All right, let me move my computer again. Okay. Thank you. Yes, definitely much better being in the house. Okay. I don't want to talk too long. But you see what I'm saying? April, can you hear me now? You see what I'm saying? So there's no gimmick of any kind. Yes, there's things that help, but this person was asking me, does it burn fat? No, I don't believe it burns fat. It helps get things moving. The only thing that burns fat is there's diet pills that help to burn fat. Exercise, especially lifting weights, is what burns fat, if we're talking about burning fat. But most people don't really understand what burning fat means. And when you increase the temperature of your body when you exercise, that's when you burn the fat. So it does not matter. Can you hear me now, April? So don't, just in case you hear something about boiling water and coffee, there you go. All right.